and you take it out of the.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why you need a rock.
Like this, like this. Medium brown because it's gonna be too hard. Just
Making patacoyas with my good friend over here, Pataconia, and it's like a root here in Panama, and I know they kind of like have them with salt and pepper, and we've got my good friend assistant over here, Howard, who's making some, and we're going to be flattening them out with using this little device as well. Check it out.
fry them on both sides a little bit.
Yep.
What you do is
Get the rock.
smash them.
Okay.
That's it. Then you put them back to fry on both sides. And that's
The
it.
rock's better, isn't it?
You're on? Okay, and just do it like this. And it comes out the same.
Yeah.
That's it.